Do you want to learn how to build a web app fast with AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So Hostinger has currently released Hostinger Horizons, and I've made a lot of these tutorials. You can check it out at the end of this video. There will be a playlist on the right. You can check it out from there. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a web app quickly. So we're going to make a to-do app. So I'm going to type in something like create a to-do app with advanced functionalities. Let's see what it creates. I've made a tutorial on how to connect the Hostinger Horizons domain and how to connect it with Supabase. So you can have your database inside it and have login system, etc. You can check it out at the end. There will be a playlist. You can check it out from there. So currently it's building the app. So let's see what it does. It takes in around 2 to 4 minutes to build the app. And whenever you message it something, the AI, like I messaged once over here, is going to take in 1 credit out of your total balance. I'm going to call it credit. This is monthly messages remaining. So it's going to be monthly renewal. And there's no daily limit inside it. So you can just keep messaging it. Once you exhaust this, you need to upgrade your plan. Otherwise, you need to wait for the next month. So here it has given us an error, preview error. We're going to ask it to fix it. So it's not going to create your app correctly in one go. You need to keep going back and forth with it to ask it to make it better, to make more functionalities in it, etc. But I'm sure that this time it's going to make it correctly. Like you can see here, it has done this. We can enter things inside it on the right hand side, like this: work, medium, low priority, date. I've also got this calendar picker, which is nice. All right. I can also search tasks and I can filter the tasks. So low priority, high priority, etc. Active tasks, etc. Now this is on low priority because I've selected it from here. And I can check it. So it's going to be checked. So I've done it. So it says total task 1, completed 1. And I can delete it from here like that. Now, if you want a better user interface of this, we can ask the AI to do it. So I'm going to ask it to make a better user interface with modern design, add emoji picker, colors, etc. Let's see what it creates. So our app has been created and it's now much better looking than the last time. So you can see the task manager over here, and we got the task title, the personal, we got the emojis inside it, we got the medium, low, or high priority. We've also got this over here, which looks nice. And let's say we add something over here, like gym again, and we have this emoji picker. Okay, that's amazing. I can add this muscle icon, all right. And I also got this on the right hand side. This is for the color. So I can make it something else like this. All right. Make it high priority. And the personal date is going to make something random here and add task. Now it is here. All right. We got this, the total, high priority, and I can search task from here. Let's say I add one more. All right, we got 2 of them now, and I can search for it. So personal, gym. Okay, it works. And does this work? Yep, this works as well. And I can delete them. So delete this, and this also changes. Okay, this is nice. And just like this, you can make changes to it. Just keep asking the AI and make changes to your app. And now, once you're done, you can deploy it from here on the top right. Once you've deployed this website, you'll get this website link. You can view the website by clicking on here, and you can also share this link to someone else, and they can also use your app. Now, you can also connect your own domain. So you can have like taskmaster.com or something. You can do that. But for this, you need to add your own domain. And I've got a tutorial on it. You can check it out on the playlist on the right hand side. It's going to appear at the end of this video. You can check it out, that video. And I've connected it with a Namecheap. I trust Namecheap, and I've got many domains on it. So that's what I've done, and you can check it out. And there's a full guide as well, and a quick guide and more tutorials there. So you can check all of them out if you like. So see you there. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments regarding Hostinger Horizons. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, let me know with a like and comment, and see you there. Bye for now.